this is from Beneath and Beyond, the questions project that Fiona Cork and I put out a year or two ago. Going to grab a couple questions, or going to grab a question and see what happens. How many birds can you identify by their song? How many advertising jingles can you identify? Well, I'm going to answer the second one first. I can probably identify 20 advertising jingles. And if you extend this to rock songs, I would say probably 400. If you extend it to classical, that's going to add another 100 or 50 maybe. How many birds can you identify by their song? Meadowlark, hermit thrush, spotted owl, barred owl, saw-whet owl. I could probably do 15. And that's pretty sad. And another way to put this that's not on the card, but I've been thinking about, just thinking about last night, is I can immediately identify a harp, a piano, electric guitar, flute. I can differentiate all those instruments. Can I differentiate the difference in sound of wind blowing across a redwood, a cedar, a Doug fir? Absolutely not. And of course, the point is that we listen and differentiate and pay attention to things that are human, and we don't really pay much attention to non-humans.